A man once came to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, carrying with him his belongings and a box. He said, "O Prophet, while I was passing through a jungle, I heard the voice of some birds' babies. I took them and put them in this box. The moment I did that, the mother came fluttering round my head. And the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, 'Put them down.' When the man put the box on the ground, the mother of the young birds joined them. Seeing this, the Prophet, peace be upon him, asked the man, who now had a look of surprise on his face, 'Are you surprised by the affection of the mother towards the young? I swear by him, Allah Almighty, who has sent me, surely God is more loving to his servants than the mother to these young birds. Return these baby birds to the place from where you took them, and let their mother be with them. Fear God with regard to animals,' said the Prophet, peace be upon him. 'Ride them when they are fit to be ridden, and get off their backs when they are tired. Surely there are rewards for being kind and gentle to animals, and for giving them water to drink.' Islam has taught that in the eyes of Allah, animals also have rights in the same way as man has. They should not be treated badly, tortured, or left to starve without food or water. Imam Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, had some ducks under his care in his house. At the time of his death, he had given particular advice to his sons to take good care of those animals, or to set them free if it was not possible to look after them properly. The Quran has also guided us by telling us that in the eyes of God, there is no difference between the human world and the animal world. There is not an animal that lives on the earth, nor a being that flies on its wings, but forms part of communities like you. Nothing have we omitted from the book, and they all shall be gathered to their Lord in the end. Quran chapter 6 verse 38. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was once performing ablution, wudu, for prayers from a pot of water. A cat passed there and turned its eye at the pot of water with a thirsty look. The Prophet, peace be upon him, realized at once that the cat was very thirsty, so he stopped ablution, the wudu, and placed the pot before the cat. Only after the cat had fully quenched its thirst did the Prophet, peace be upon him, resume the ablution or wudu. By this action, the Prophet, peace be upon him, has shown that quenching the thirst of even a small, dumb animal is a noble act full of virtue, and should be given first attention before one prepares for offering prayers to God.